Do you know how the most joyful day for Muslims, Eid al-Fitr, first began? Let's go back in history.
Take this, brother.
تقبل الله منا والله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله.
In 624 CE, when Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, migrated to Medina, he noticed that people there used to celebrate two specific festival days every year. After the arrival of Islam, Allah replaced those days with two more meaningful and sacred occasions, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Eid al-Fitr is celebrated at the end of the month of Ramadan. After a full month of fasting, self-discipline, and spiritual purification, this day comes as a reward, filled with joy, gratitude, and forgiveness. On this day, Muslims perform a special prayer, give charity known as Zakat al-Fitr.
Take this, brother. May Allah's mercy be upon you and your family.
And greet each other with love and peace by saying Eid Mubarak. It's not just a day of celebration, it's a moment of returning to Allah with a pure heart. So, the true message of Eid is love, forgiveness, and gratitude towards Allah. If you enjoy learning Islamic history like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to follow on Instagram for daily Islamic content.